Welcome to Shocking News. Utie another edition of Shocking News brought to you by Duncan the Scholar. Shocking News a platform ma yeboaboa nsɛm a emu duru ebi tu akoma ebi summa ahotoso ne ahohyɛso ɛna yɛde abrɛm mprimprim sɛ nkoma yɛde brɛw no ɛyɛ nkoma a ɛde papa ɛdi nkan no yɛbɛbɔ na Nana Addo Dankwa Akufo-Addo ase abaso nyada nasi sɛ wapagya mmaa ɛwɔ Ghana ha Nana Addo bibia woyɛ bia di adanseɛ sɛ iho Nyankopɔn wɔ so ɔno wɔtɔ firi so ɛde wobɛkyɛ yɛn kwa nyame yɛda wase wama yɛ mmaa nimdifoɔ a wode wɔ mu bu man me Duncan bijina Bible asɛm so a kame mmaa yɛde wɔ mu di mmarima so women leadership ne support said the Bible kan yenti because we see ɔbaa deɛ maama no kwan sɛ ɔni bɛrima so nanso no mesa dadwene ho no maadwene yɛ akyerɛ me sɛ Yehowa Nyankopɔn deɛ yɛ nko a ɛna ɔma nipa ɛne suade hu na yɛyɛ ma timi sua deɛ nya nimdeɛ deɛ a na sɛ yɛ mo kwan ama so abɛkyerɛ ɔmo bɔbrɛ ɛne dom betumi ayɛ ɛwɔ aban mu a ɛyɛ mefa Ghana constitution na makan bibi ɛwɔ hɔ ama yɛ nyinaa yate Ghana constitution wakasafa women leadership mo fa nkyɛme constitution ni na so mekania no a kamede beto so na matimi akan no adum nti no mo fa nkyɛme wo call constitution ni mo a the principle state direction of principle principles of state policy direction so what kind of between articles 34 to 41 articles 34 to 41 within and as a clause ya me bekan was say as I said Ghana government making sure say about bridging the difference between men and women. It should promote gender balance by allowing women into active governance, by allowing women into government, give them positions to also contribute their quota in terms of knowledge into the building of the state. So to say, yes, the American near direct quote to America. They said the Myanmar Mekano and American. Nana Addo so afro akonyen o de mra no eye adwuma pa to amama kwan ama o de ma ye adwuma e man so mo kwan wa ban mu no nyese bia o me ye boafo bi o mo topmost positions, government positions ya mba leaders na me ma sha wo mase ho na me reservation na nso no aba dia na esi ahwede ma na bitumi aye sister me memorial and we hope perception be for ma say the memre obadie nim di no bema de bema betumi aye no oba ntumi nya bi the man akasa sorry ye afunfom akuakuo kikon ho bomu no mo hia so mo lobby for their right say the bema betumi aye no ono so betumi aye bi that brought about women empowerment and feminism. It didn't say and we are saying mass matum timasi mo position e wa bem na dan Akufo-Addo before benya Ghana government position tie miensa na bosumi na mo yewure mama kwan pa on adwuma mi yie ma ministers ma deputy ministers o mo dos papa na sir media dynamic pa ne say ya de da opefe so ne say se manya tumia ya de ba ko eda hufuo mo a nya homaso ahantan den ye tranton muadie ntwitwifaso dressing akese so lackadaisical approach to duties, malingering manners to duties. Mukasa, mukukuso, shout nipa, eniati. It has been the perception out there. I feel so. Yana some human relations are very poor. So Papa be in a position now be friend no be fa. And you just see bia o kai kaya na wo hunu say mmere bi atwam. Na we ne mpena onu odudo pen se bi uta frache. Wa kire wa de papen dia e bia obetimi afa. Na wa fampo no se do besi akasa wo phone no so no wa fa kora nkeye. Always busy shouting. So enti me Duncan. Yeah, me na me control shocking news platform here. O hwe me wo so na wutie mi no. 1, me a century ni mapa. 2, me a researcher. 3, me a poster. 4, me a communicator. 5, so about public relations activities are my being woman. Sani me yam budi nyina so no e kasa adwuma. Timi e madwene se me fatum so. Na emeya na nado dan kwakufuado agye wo mu amom positions ewo na baamu no. Maso mahwe ahwe se de ne nipa ka fa ma kuta position no e ne kura na ase ne kure. Tunim ne ameye. Me choose only one problem. Only one problem. Problem me choose here no and say me pesa me hwe a man wo mo human relations kwan ya mo faso ni nipa edi nkuta ho o mo human relations na me pesa me hwe na afis ma hwe o mo commitment level towards duty time of faso ko adwuma abroad ko adwuma se di o si ye late any excuses ni ade pesa me hwe sa ne ma wo mi nu pe na me imagine say me check intimidation she ego akwam me outline me research methodology me de yes research we na ma hwade dia me ye ne say ese me nyamma ne nyina telephone numbers bibinti me ntimi pa ma ne di entudwa o me yo mo research nyina no o me ministers of state ministers of state, ministers of aviation, the attorney general, ministers of local government and rural development, tourism, creative art, just omodos, Mr. T, top positions, 15 minister for communications, also the ministry, no by Dini dear, nimbo. So what I see, and me yes, I research, and got all their contacts, telephone numbers. And I may some their research. The me and say human relations and yakase ubi human relation affairs say the only nipa ntem nkutahudie etia adi di mu pa any telephone call so be free nipa na obe pick you and as on pick you nempo opikia e kwan ya ofaso ni odi nkomofa eno and they are the greatest aspect of human relations. In whom manim answer na wachre odo achire me. So what I say, be flower. Unim di enti nipa me flow. Unim nipa krono. Enti odo opepa. Odo ni hofa ma. Eni ebua obenya e dia peke kom. Na otimi nipa na kasa odeso no. Eno ma wo dance no. The human relations are. Eno ne number 1. Ti eno na mdi manisi so. Na monhwe emra mi wie sa research ye human relations research no ni pa me Duncan Opoku-Boateng aka Duncan the scholar, Duncan the jet writer me bomin semano na ono eni di mani nyina so kane ni photo na wo hwe eye ye nuaba ye maame ya ho fehima Gloria Akufu, the Attorney General and Minister of Justice, Ghana lawyer bana wo hwe no ho fe ne de edwa Ghana lawyer no da ho no won fa na dwuma niagro. I'm telling you mama we won fa na dwuma niagro kete say juma pasa o de juma di agro debi wo frena obefa ko wo ye meeting a obomo hu se me ba chew me ye meeting di ebetimi afre me time see tiyo wode me pa chew e kan kasa public servant dey sa na so behave because be kura ko na eba no na efriu employer ho and what should so be free what you bo dey to last speaker ehwe usuban suban obede na di wo phone no so no e kire se wo ye de ese ne saa e wo office ye de ese ne saa wo office say what yes enti no true course no ene nkutahudi nkomomudi kasa de ebuo kwan so no Maame Gloria Akufu na danko Akufu ado waya die wa pointi sebuta frache oba obuade and wasum Ghana won fama na dwuma so nyagro sa time Gloria on funny time nyagro kete o se boni I'm telling you Maame Gloria answer na meto aso no jiwon sembo 1 2 3 4 5 6 kosusa na dia medini twatwo enkoye sa oba no se or review ni behavior osisane ma bebre on for call ta would what friend 2 million times on view 2 million times friend 2 million times on view 2 million times Basan yemfa public office and shanisa wa fa na office no oyo no ane dia the japade di do be na oye wa she numbers nso number we free dia MP asumesi DC asumesi minister asumesi te say ni ko equals no nko a na obesi hu ni om numbers on for phone so wa peke you wrong. You are serving the entirety of the nation. Call biaso eban our purpose will be in fact call and flow just like that impo or flow cry baba said duane afruwa and so hia it's a bible see o memu wo shira se na waje and nipa so kra wo na se nipa emisa wo ade a e kire se ye fa wo nya hwi ni nipa to atwene je se wo utrimu din wo se no bonsam tinke se ya ho wa kra ma se wo na bo so bi flow we nipa na be pick na be ka hello ni kasade a kire no kan person dey din tudwa nanso no me ne me editorial team e be trans yansa ti wie na so mka se e pan tudwa be tudwa so what yesi nipa ba ko so a me hu se na ho fama e ma adwuma ye e wo so ya most of the time we be no office eye friends chief of staff Frima mami Frima chief of staff ono suno ibo me sem mano ani die no ye ba ko pe chief of staff ono su kwa bi suno ihu adepa kakra e woni ho about 70% enye omosisa nimo die wo dato pa no die ono kura no wo twem 100% e ko 1000% in terms of authority ahomaso eni tranton enye na mlipem no bititi abetudwa tima me Gloria shodi ewie mshirawo koso ye dwumaden sa fabo Ghana ti wonim donipa sede wo ye kire me no sede wo ye kire onim dawo na ma nam ho di so an kire no nanso no usi mi kama mira sisi de nka bitimi yesi aka me papa na nipa bebra go begu machi so o ma nitimi sisi wadwuma nkwan kakra kra wanyama me bre kakra wanyama me ene kasata waka kire me nko akeke nyame ntonko ne mami wi nanado debi bia no so many chief justice and have na so bia na oni Supreme Court dem ho ntini bi esa position onya attorney general na odi na efata no manini foreign minister me hu yi kra wa continue no doso most of the time in the office that be so most of the time in the office in the office schedule time ni nya daje so emma ye ne ye nante ba office no amana ne fo no hia ye so ye wa ha no ye hu hia pa si kokromoti ne do kotra demo me pem no me didi hu no bia ho beba mako dinti amabo foreign minister din kire se me hu niema pakakra e wone ho de mabo ne din bia kire se ni de no e bia 30 to 45% na enye so this ultimate 70% good 65% good eye tiebo odian eye so chief of staff we say on meet makasi bia 30% and e bia eye bad or 70% eye because eye grease ye demand water share level nka ye bi eye pa eye na ye ma me Gloria Akufo-Addo. So that's it. A man A+. Excellent. Meet me power hani nyina man. Ni mo man 99.9%. 99.9%. Ma ayiko mo makan mo sisa ibire nkoyi. Yes na drank for 2 minutes mawo. Nya kesi sem ni ahokire. Ene tranto ni nipa mu nsem nti ne di 2 minutes mawo. Once ya ide o man akunyo na ama onege se bi uta frache de na no so nsuo krabo oni ma gine wo feso pampam nipa entiti nipa se ko una oni adaji a wo be peki ko mprimprin a te bi ma assistant bi sheda special person bia on the obey receive course ama wo book ko no ba jo ho ani o abodin free ni ade no take log of it. In your leisure time, no watching nyina throw beer back. That is service to mankind. Call back. Oh, me bra. Oh, miura. Na me ye meeting. Na ma ye busy. Tell mama kra no. Ene wo kasa no. Na mpache o na nkomo ben. Short time. Onya daje man. Onya hodoso. That is what is called service to mankind. Service to God. No, don't do selectivity. Many yimu. Don't select upon numbers. Because Simbia baby, fancy here. Gloria, Yamisha, Nanado, Yamisha Ghana, and I'm a cost say platform is a routine. Platform is a routine, and this platform. Platform is a routine, and this platform. My friends say, hot stories, shocking stories. Story the bedroom, Utia, Ibi, Tuakoman, pum, Ibi Suma Hotoso, Ibi Manguranche, TN, Abribia, Achakuran, 2 hours to 3 hours piano. When your story for every shocking news so Gloria Akufo. Wonu nua maanu no wo yonko no no wonu mo ministers ni hia kire wo mo kwan a ofa so ye wadwuma no na omo so emfa so bi na me hia